All right, this is day one of the concrete floor grind, and this is kind of what it's starting to look like. So these floors have probably never been this clean. This is just grinding them down so that we can get ready for leveling. We still have the kitchen to do, but the dining room area is all ground down and swept. The entryway is done. The hall, we'll still have to do the bathroom. The laundry room is done. And let me get some light on this. Okay, here we go. So the laundry room has been ground down, and some of the bathroom area. The closet is all prepped, and the bedroom. It has not been this clean a base concrete floor probably since before they completed construction. So everything is taped off. It is producing a boatload of dust. We have the vacuum hooked up. We've been emptying it. I've been sweeping as we go. So is Jesus. And it is just a back-breaking project. So stay tuned. More to follow.